Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about First Horizon Bank. So they're offering a $700 checking account bonus. That's actually checking and savings account bonus. Super excited about this one. It is direct deposit and saving bonus. Many states are eligible for this, including my state, which includes myself. So super excited about sharing this with everybody. Before we jump in, I do have a quick disclaimer. So I'm a former and hopefully will be a new customer of First Horizon again. I'm not affiliated or endorsed by anyone mentioned in this video. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. The information in this video is current as I'm recording. These videos are not short but are very profitable. Use this information at your own risk. This is called fishing and not catching, and as is everything in life, your mileage may vary. Today's joke: why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? It was too tired. Alright, the best food out there is free food. If you're interested in getting free Uber Eats, so you can get $20 off your first 2 orders of $25 or more, use my referral code and take advantage of that. So link, QR code, or you can always email me at trainingadventures@gmail.com. MooMoo. So Nvda is the first $5 trillion company. MooMoo's giving away stocks for Nvda. You can get up to over $1,000 worth of sign-up bonuses. So take advantage of what they have to offer. They are the only brokerage that I know of that has bonuses for both new and existing customers. Link to this video is right there. Alright, so First Horizon's available in Louisiana, New York, South Carolina, Texas, the best state of all, Tennessee, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Kentucky, Florida, North Carolina, and parts of Virginia. So this does expire in about a week, so definitely want to take advantage of this. It has been extended multiple times. There is credit card funding of $50 per account, and from what I understand, there definitely is check sensitivity if you apply online. So I got denied online, but I was approved in person before, so I do plan on making a trip to my local friendly First Horizon branch. So here is the link to this offer if you're interested. firsthorizon.com/cash700. Got a QR code. Link in the description box down below. Or you could always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. So it all started innocently enough with an email. Get up to $700. I made a video on this before, but I completely forgot about it. And then this email reminded me of 700 reasons of why I should consider First Horizons again. So it is $450 for opening the account and doing direct deposits totaling $2,000 or more within 90 days from the account opening. And then within 30 days, got to deposit $3,000 there and get a total of $700, which is rather easy. So that's up to $700 on us. Act now. At first, I thought that this was a specific, just a targeted offering, because it had a promo code on here which showed up on where I applied. But then I realized, hey, I already made a video on this, and $700 is a really nice bonus. If you're annoyed that you're not eligible for this, take advantage of the MooMoo offer. That's over $1,000 though. Alright, so here's what it looks like at $450. So they want you to open up the checking account first, and then you could add the savings account. So if you click open an account, it makes you go to open an account. So first it says, we're excited to welcome you as a new First Horizon client. They say, are you currently a client? I said no. So then I hit here are your disclosures, hit submit. Who can apply? Glad you're here. And it's got the promo code. So that's why I thought it was targeted, but it's not. Are you a First Horizon digital banking customer? Nope. It used to be. Then, typical stuff: first name, last name, address, city, state, date of birth, ID information, social security number or ITIN, email address, your offer promo code, and then hit submit application. We're reviewing your application. It'll only take a few seconds. The circle of death. And then selected the first view checking, the traditional savings. How do you want to fund? I chose credit card, maximum, 0 minimum, 100 maximum, so I did 50 for each account. And then do you anticipate, they ask you a bunch of questions. How do you plan on using the account? And then after all that fun stuff, I got the email that says, "We regret to inform you we're not able to approve the product selected. An email will be sent to churningadventures@gmail.com with further details." So it was checks. So in case you don't know, you're new to this game, checks is not just the cereal, which is delicious. It is when you apply for a credit card, you have your credit report. Checks is basically a credit report for bank accounts, and most normal people don't need 60 bank accounts for the bonuses. So I'm never claimed to be normal, but bank account bonus central verdict on all this. The fun part's getting the email. The not fun part is getting the online denial. Denial is more than just a river in Egypt. I do plan on going in branch to see if I can get in again for $700. I mean, $700 is definitely worth an hour of my time to drive out there, talk to the banker, and see if they'll let me in, because bankers, they get a bonus whenever they open an account as well. So one hand washes the other in this fun and profitable game. Besides some check sensitivity online, what's there not to like? So and that's the fun thing. When you get into certain banks, they send you emails, say, "Hey, come on back, we want your money. Maybe you'll stick around this time." Well, no, I consider myself a professional new customer, because the loyal customers, they don't tend to get much of anything. They don't get the sign-up bonuses. It's only the new customers. So if you allow people to open up new accounts every 12 months after you shut down an account, well, then that's what you're incentivizing. So that's what you're going to get. Still have comments off for these videos, but if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, criticisms, you can always email me, churningadventures@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you rather quickly. Today's question: why did Jesus call himself Son of Man? Well, is that because of the human part of him? Nope. Son of Man is a reference to Daniel 7, and that talks about the deity of Christ. So Daniel chapter 7, "As my vision continued that night, I saw someone like the Son of Man coming with the clouds of heaven." He was cloud surfing. "He approached the Ancient One and was led into his presence. He was given authority, honor, and sovereignty over all the nations of the world, so that people of every race and nation and language would obey him. His rule is eternal, it will never end, his kingdom will never be destroyed." Yeah, so Son of Man is not the human part of him, it is the part of him where his kingdom will never be destroyed. His rule is eternal, it will never end. Additional information, how to follow Jesus, gotquestions.org, link in the description box down below. If you're interested, still here with me, appreciate that. Like the video. If you appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis, share this with anybody who will be able to benefit from it. Subscribe with bell notifications so you could be amongst the first to learn about profitable opportunities. And with that, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.